Open up the debate and ask what's going on. Let's ask what is going on. Rajiv Jaitley, spokesperson of the BJP from Delhi, Nilanjana Chakravarti, social activist from Kolkata, Advaita Kala, author, Ghanshyam Tiwari, leader of the Samajwadi Party, and Alimuddin Khan of the Congress Party. Let's start with the ladies first. Saira Shah Halim. Now, I have got the complaint copy on which basis on which the FIR was lodged. In that she says, beg your pardon, Nilanjana Chakravarti, Nilanjana, sorry, my bad. Nilanjana, this is what she says. There were two boys, one wearing a blue t-shirt and other wearing a white t-shirt. Both were reeking out alcohol from a distance. This is at the police station. Earlier in that, I'm just reading this. It says, the driver of the Tata Safari car stopped his car to my right, almost right in front of the car. The boy with the blue t-shirt again came out of the Safari, tried to open the rear door of my car and banged on the window. Fortunately, I had put the central lock when I was scared.
Yeah.
To me, it was very clear that these boys intended to abduct me, even tried to open the door. And then she says, kindly file an FIR. Now, in the FIR note, Nilanjana, it says, Mukaddama darj jo hua hai on harassment and attempt to kidnap and outrage the modesty of a girl against the two boys in white Tata Safari car bearing registration number. But you know what section is written? It says section 354D IPC.
Yeah.
354D IPC is not for attempt to kidnap.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
Exactly. You know, Anand, it is very, very possible for the simple reason that this is not the first time that this is happening. We've seen this kind of VIP voyeurism, VIP perversion, you know, happening all the time in the country. And the most, the most bizarre thing is that, you know, he is the son of a public servant. The BJP president, if I'm not too wrong, the state BJP president. So, you know, it becomes even more imperative that he has to be more accountable and responsible in his dealings. So the fact of the matter is that in the night, a drunk, this guy and his friend, you know, banging on the door, you know, their intention was very clear. They wanted to drag this girl out of the car, take her, rape her, kidnap her. Abduction is a very, I mean, all kinds of charges probably. Stalking, voyeurism, perversion, kidnapping, raping, everything possible. But I hats off to this girl who actually had the presence of mind to have it centrally locked. And, you know, she was just saved at the nick of time.
No, you know what?
But look at the kind of saving that she had.
No.
First, the police...
Right now, Nilanjana, you know...
First, the police realizes that, yes, these are the charges which need to be...
Yes, you know what happens, Nilanjana? On her Facebook post, on her complaint letter, both places she says their intention was to abduct me. Now, here's what the BJP is saying, or the government, or the local
Absolutely.
police. No, or the local police are saying. They are saying, in her, apparently, we don't have, we are trying to get a copy of the CRPC statement, the statement made under 164 CRPC. There they are claiming she did not mention abduction.
Yeah.
So that is why the charge of abduction or attempt to kidnap doesn't imply. Rajiv Jaitley, is that true, sir?
I mean, how can they?
No, wait.
How can they?
I'll come to that. I'll come to that.
It's a very clear case. What was he trying to do? Bang against the window?
No, it was
what
only
was
stalking.
His intention?
That is stalking for them.
What was his intention?
That is stalking.
Stalking? Excuse me, at 12:30 in the night, you're stalking by banging on the door. And what if the door was open? He would have said, "Hello, how are you? Can I take you home?" Is that what his intention was? No. I mean, this is the most ridiculous and hilarious argument that I've ever seen or heard. No. I'll give you an example. I had an incident in my life in the year 1999. And the time was 10 o'clock. I was returning in a rickshaw, a covered rickshaw, because I had released my driver, and I was coming with my maid. I was stalked by two men in a car. And they stopped. That time I did not have a cell phone. I had not kept a cell phone. And I remembered their intentions, what their intentions were, and they stopped near my house. And luckily, I had my husband's cell phone, so I called him. My husband stepped out, and he realized something was wrong. So he gave a punch to one of the guys because the engine was on. And they realized something was really, something was wrong, and they ran away. I noted down the car number, and guess what? I'm talking about 1999. I lodged an FIR. They called me in the middle of the night. My husband spoke to them, and he said, who are you? And then what these guys do, they said, no, let's, the lady tried to act very fresh with us, and etc., etc. They put the blame on me. So next day, I went to the Thana, I lodged an FIR, and the officer in charge, I think he was pretty good, because he told me, will you be able to identify them? I said, yes, I will. In 3 days, they were nabbed, and only luckily, I managed to take down the number. 2 years, I ran the case. They gave apologies after apologies, and finally, it was all over. So the fact of the matter remains, what happens to the common woman on the street? Can you imagine? The cops are asking me, will you be able to identify?
Let's open this up, because here is where I'm stuck. Here is where I'm stuck. Because I can't comprehend how you can allow somebody to get away with this, irrespective of who they are. वो किसी बड़े बाप का बेटा हो, किसी का भी बेटा हो. It should have been the father himself who should have dragged them into the police station and said, spend 4 nights inside the lockup because you don't deserve a place in my house. Rajiv Jaitley.
Yes, I think we should not create our own stories. We should not create the story on the basis of the history, what has happened with the other people.
Stories?
This is the place, this is the state where state president, listen. This is the state where state president directly asked that daughter to come forward to lodge their statement. This is the place where state president of BJP asked his father to come forward and register your complaint. This is the place where father is saying that if my son is guilty,
where,
he should be behind the bar. This is the place
where in her FIR she says it was an attempt to abduct Rajiv Jaitley. This is the state where in the FIR she says it was a clear attempt to abduct.
Let me complete, please.
Where in the FIR it is written?
Let me complete.
Where in the FIR it is written, sir?
Let me complete.
Yes, complete.
Let me complete.
Complete.
I heard the statement of that daughter also, the daughter of Haryana, the daughter of India, the daughter of the state president, the daughter of BJP. We clearly say that come forward. And if something, wrongfully restrained, which she has mentioned, why we're getting into abduction, why we're getting into stalking, we are talking about the girl who realized that somebody was chasing him, and our state president said, please come forward, I am with you. Entire party is with them, entire state is with them. We are standing with that particular daughter, and we are clearly saying that we are with you. Whatever action you want, you can just register your complaint, and whatever she has registered are in front of you. In 164 CRPC, she has said before magistrate.
Please tell me, Rajiv Jaitley, then, sir. Rajiv Jaitley, एक बात बताइए. Please wait. Please wait.
Your state president.
Please wait. What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you trying to say come forward?
Grand lecture to everybody that how your state president is a great man.
So are you trying to say
that naturally?
Rajiv Jaitley, please understand this. In her Facebook post, she said they tried to abduct me.
Don't give
in
us
her FIR, in her FIR, Ghanshyam Tiwari, I'm coming to you, sir. In her FIR complaint, I have it here. She says these boys intended to abduct me. The FIR concludes there is an attempt to kidnap, but the section imposed is only stalking. The police officer, the ACP, after 164 CRPC statement, he says कि नॉन बेलेबल 3 धाराएं बनती हैं. फिर बाद में बोलते हैं कि नहीं, धारा नहीं बनती है क्योंकि मेरे पास पृष्ठ नहीं थे. प्रिंटेड कॉपी मेरे पास जब आई, मैंने उसको पढ़ा तो उसमें उन्होंने अबडक्शन की बात नहीं की है. She has not used the word abduction. मुझे एक बात बताइए सर.
आपकी स्टेटमेंट, मैं तो I just want to say, just आपने ही जो स्टेटमेंट दिखाई है टाइम्स नाउ पे, अगर आप उस स्टेटमेंट को रिपीट करेंगे, she said they may try to abduct me. They banged my window. She clearly said. She is not saying that they did it. She is saying,
sir, intention to abduct की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. Attempt to abduct is section 348. I have to get the section
Anand,
right.
Please ask him what was the intention. What was the intention, Anand? Somebody banging in the middle of the night.
Please tell me. I am talking.
What is the intention?
I am talking.
Listen,
Ghanshyam Tiwari, come in. Now, please tell me. If there is an attempt,
what is the intention?
Who is going to decide the section? The cops have to decide the section, sir.
You tell me.
Word abduct use नहीं किया तो section नहीं है.
Yes, the cop has to decide.
तो कहाँ है? कॉप ने क्यों नहीं डिसाइड किया? सर, आप एक बात बताइए, कोई आपकी गाड़ी का पीछा करे और आपकी गाड़ी के ग्लासेस पे ऐसे बैंग करे और दरवाजा खोलने की कोशिश करे, आप कहेंगे कि वो सिर्फ आपको स्टॉक कर रहा है? Will you say कि वो सिर्फ आपको स्टॉक कर रहा है?
मैं आपसे केवल इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ, जस्ट लिसन टू मी, मैं आपसे केवल इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ, अगर उन्होंने किसी गाड़ी को रॉन्गफुली रिस्ट्रेन किया है,
अगर उन्होंने किसी को रॉन्गफुली रिस्ट्रेन किया है, शराब में दो लड़के गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, एक लड़की के पीछे रात को 12 बजे और उसकी गाड़ी को रोकने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, दो सिग्नल तोड़ के वो लड़की अपनी जान बचा के भागती है, आप फिर बोल रहे हैं अगर उसने कुछ किया है,
मैं केवल इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ, ये आर्बिट्रेशन और जजमेंट इवेंचुअली पुलिस को कर रही है, ये मजिस्ट्रेट को कर रही है.
अरे इस बंदे ये
इवेंचुअली जजमेंट.
प्लीज, आई डोंट वांट टू लूज माय कूल. खून खोलता है जब इस तरह का बर्ताव होता है किसी औरत के साथ, खून खोलता है सर.
नहीं आप
सुनिए उस पुलिस वाले को. कैन वी प्ले आउट दैट बाइट प्लीज? कैन वी प्ले आउट दैट साउंड बाइट?
के साथ हूं.
कैन वी प्लीज प्ले आउट दैट साउंड बाइट?
No, you look at what the chief minister is
saying. Play it right now, please. राजीव जेटली, आप सुनिए इसको. आप सुनिए इसको.
164 की स्टेटमेंट के बाद हम सेक्शन 341 आईपीसी, 365 आईपीसी, 511 आईपीसी ऐड कर रहे हैं, रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट और अटेम्प्ट टू किडनैप, और इसमें इनको अरेस्ट किया गया है, दोनों अक्यूज को, और अरेस्ट करके अब मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने पेश किया जाएगा.
ये जो दवाएं हैं ये बेलेबल है या
नॉन बेलेबल है?
तो इसमें मैक्सिमम सजा कितनी हो सकती है?
7 to 10 ईयर्स तक की है, लेकिन वो तो कोर्ट में ट्रायल के बाद लड़की की स्टेटमेंट में जो भी आया है उस पर हम कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं.
तो क्या उन लड़कों को जमानत दे दी गई है?
तो उसमें साफ उसमें देखा हुआ है.
फेसबुक की स्टेटमेंट लड़की की और 164 के बयान में काफ़ी फ़र्क है. हाँ,
जमानत दे दी गई है,
बेलेबल ऑफेंस है ये.
जमानत दे दी गई है?
हाँ, जमानत शुरू पहले वाले जो सुबह जो केस हुआ था, जो धारा अट्रैक्ट हुई थी, उसमें दे दी गई है. इसमें भी अवेलेबल ऑफेंस है. उस टाइम तक मेरे पास कॉपी नहीं आई थी, ओरिजिनल कॉपी आ गई है 164 की. 164 की स्टेटमेंट में लड़की में कहीं भी किडनैपिंग का जिक्र नहीं हुआ है. उसमें सिर्फ 341 का जिक्र है, वो हमने ऐड कर दिया है, और फर्दर कोई अगर सेक्शन बनेगा तो हम उसमें लीगल ओपिनियन लेके लगाएंगे उसमें.
अभी क्या हम माने कि बस पुलिस थाने से यहाँ से जमानत मिल जाएगी विकास बराला को?
हाँ जी.
कोर्ट में पेश करने की जरूरत नहीं है?
नहीं, अभी जरूरत नहीं.
आईपीसी सेक्शन के 64, 364, 341 की बात करते हैं. 365 किडनैपिंग का जिक्र नहीं हुआ है, सेल्स द कॉप. पहले क्या बोला उसने? इस कॉप के इस पुलिस वाले के खिलाफ कोई एक्शन हुआ है अभी तक? इज इट नॉट डेरिलिक्शन ऑफ ड्यूटी? इज इट नॉट टेकिंग योर ड्यूटी वेरी फ्लिपेंटली? व्हेन आपने सीआरपीसी की कॉपी नहीं पढ़ी, स्टेटमेंट की कॉपी नहीं पढ़ी, आपने प्रेशर दे दिया, बोला नॉन बेलेबल है, फिर बाद में आके बोलते हैं कि नहीं बेलेबल है क्योंकि मैंने अभी पढ़ी है इसको. मजाक है सर ये?
अगर आपने उनकी स्टेटमेंट को ध्यान से सुना हो तो उन्होंने बहुत क्लियरली बोला, सोशल मीडिया में जो मेंशन की हुई बात है
हाँ.
और जो मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने अपनी स्टेटमेंट दर्ज करवाई है, दोनों बातों में फर्क है.
फर्क क्या है? फर्क सिर्फ इतना है, मैं आपको बताऊं फर्क क्या है. फर्क सिर्फ कितना है? सुनिए, फर्क सिर्फ इतना है, ये जो लाइन है ना, सुनिए, नहीं राजीव जेटली जी, प्लीज सुनिए. उन्होंने सिर्फ एक बात नहीं कही, ये जो इंटेंडेड टू अबडक्ट मी है ना, इंटेंडेड टू अबडक्ट मी, ये बात उन्होंने नहीं कही है. उन्होंने अबडक्शन की बात नहीं कही है, लेकिन जो पूरा किस्सा हुआ है वो पूरा उन्होंने वैसे का वैसे बयान किया है. अब अगर कोई आपके दरवाजे को, कोई आपकी गाड़ी के शीशे को ठोक रहा है और दरवाजे को खोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है जबरन, तो वो आपसे हाय हेलो बोलने के लिए कर रहा है. शराब में धुत
मैं केवल आपसे
तो उसका इरादा क्या था? इन दो लड़कों का इरादा क्या था?
आप केवल इतनी
इन दो लड़कों का इरादा क्या था?
पूछना चाहता हूँ,
इन दो लड़कों का, आप मुझे एक बात बताइए राजीव जी, मैं आपसे एक बात पूछ रहा हूँ, इन दो लड़कों के साथ क्या होना चाहिए?
सोशल
इन दो लड़कों के साथ क्या होना चाहिए? इन दो लड़कों के, सर मैं एफआईआर कंप्लेंट के बेसिस पे बोल रहा हूँ सर, मैं कोई सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं एफआईआर कंप्लेंट के बेसिस, ये एफआईआर है, अरे ये एफआईआर है सर।
That is what I am saying.
If this is the FIR, you please tell me, can you answer this question, that why even in the FIR, despite this mentioning here, ये देखिए ये यहाँ लिखा है, attempt to kidnap, harassment, attempt to kidnap, outrage modesty, and then they say कि section लागू होता है सिर्फ stalking का।
That is what I am saying.
घनश्याम तिवारी, अलीमुद्दीन खान, अद्वैता काला, प्लीज आई एम कमिंग अप टू यू।
जो अपनी पेशेंस में स्टेटमेंट
No,
उसके किस बेसिस
Here is a can I Mr. Jetli,
दे रहे हैं या आप सोशल,
there is a limit to brazen defense
you wanted to react on
and there is a limit to spineless government that you have been running in Haryana.
घनश्याम तिवारी, sorry, I have got Miss Kiran Kher with us. I have got calm down.
Leader.
I have Lok Sabha MP Miss Kiran Kher with us on the phone. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Anand.
Good evening, ma'am. This incident that has happened in Chandigarh,
Yes.
do you think it is fair on the girl that the cops have not put these people behind bars and they have actually said it's a bailable offense, let them go?
I think firstly I would like to say that it's a really sad thing that has happened. And I'm really very, very, very sad that it had to happen in Chandigarh. Because I'm a woman. And as a woman, I understand, I'm a mother. I understand what the parents must be feeling and what she must be feeling. Unfortunately, I'm not there. I'm in Delhi for Parliament. But I have full faith in the Chandigarh police, and I'm sure that they will do a good job. I'd spoken to the DGP earlier, and he assured me that they are doing it. They've taken legal counsel also, because there are some discrepancies in what the girl is saying and what the boy is saying. So I think they're working on it. Believe me, they will do a just job. And I'm very, very confident of that. And I'm very confident of the BJP leadership. They will not interfere in it. They will make sure that justice is done. That I am very sure of, and the central leadership is taking cognizance of it. I have already spoken to people, and as you know, it's a union territory.
Yes.
As you know, I'm not the chief minister there. I am just the member of parliament from there. The union territory comes under the home ministry.
True.
Still, I can only inquire from the officers, from the governor, from the police chief over there what's happening. And in fact, I believe the girl's father has praised in his Facebook post that the police has done a good job. So if the police has done a good job to do the preliminary part of it, rest assured they will do a good job right till the very end. And you see, they will not do anything that is illegal. They will not come under political pressure. I am 100% sure of that.
Your voice matters, Ms. Kiran Kher, because if you are standing with the Braveheart today, it matters. Irrespective of whether it's your jurisdiction or not, you know how strong a voice you are. And that's why I'm asking you this, ma'am. I'm asking you this, that if a girl, can they come out and say, kidnapping करने की, abduct करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन abduction तो नहीं किया? That seems to be the explanation today to let them off on bail. Can that be an excuse, ma'am?
No, of course it can't, Anand. Of course it can't. And I'm sure, because everybody has got so involved in this whole thing that we all want answers immediately. But unfortunately, it doesn't really work like that. There has to be a procedure which has to be followed so that you're not unfair to either side in any case. And I'm sure the police and the officers whom I've spoken to feel very strongly for the girls, feel very strongly for the women. And I am very, very sure that it will come to a fair conclusion and justice will be done. So I don't think that we should worry about it. Let's give them 1 or 2 days or however much they require to actually take the action that is required. Neither my party nor the administration is in any way going to come under political pressure. I'm very sure of that. So I don't think we need to worry about that. I'm just very sad that this child had to go through this scary experience in Chandigarh. In fact, it's happening all over the country all the time, whether in villages or in cities. And it's very sad, and I condemn it. I condemn it wholeheartedly, whether there was abduction or not. You have no right to scare a young girl like that in the middle of the night. It's absolutely not done. And with the Congress trying to politicize this whole thing, I would like to say one thing, that let us not politicize the dignity of a woman, whether it is the young girl who has gone through this trauma, or it is me as the lady MP of Chandigarh who believes in the best. And let me tell you, I had just the other day raised the issue of stalking very strongly in Parliament.
Yes.
Just 2 days ago, you know. You can access that and you can...
I appreciate that, and we know that we know that Ms. Kiran Kher, thank you for talking to us. But the issue remains that if the state BJP president's son is behaving like this, then there is a serious issue of what kind of probity in public life and behavior in public life is being practiced by the BJP cadre itself, because they have come out to claim that the Prime Minister has set some very high standards. And they have to match up to those standards, because otherwise this is not going to, it's going to come back and hurt them when they go back to the people.
Absolutely right. I agree with you, Anand, and I really do not think that it has anything to do with the BJP or somebody else. Unfortunately, there are all kinds of people, there are all kinds of kids, there are all kinds of human nature all over the country. And it's regrettable that it has happened to a child in Chandigarh, and it's regrettable that it is a BJP leader's son. Having said that, I am sure that justice will be done.
Right.
So let's just wait for a bit and let us let the law take its course.
Right.
I stand strongly behind all the women of this country, and especially a girl in my city. I definitely do.
Ms. Kiran Kher, thank you for talking to us. Thank you for talking to us. I have limited time, but Advaita Kala, I'd like to bring you in. Thank you for your patience. You heard Ms. Kiran Kher. You've heard what's happened on ground. Do you think this Braveheart is going to get justice? Because there are two aspects. One is what the law will do. Advaita Kala, can you hear me? One is what the law will do. I'm not sure the audio is through to Advaita Kala. But Ghanshyam Tiwari, you wanted to speak. Yes. Alimuddin Khan, sorry sir. I'll come to you in a bit. Yes, Ghanshyam.
Anand, I want to say with shock that it took one incident for the Chief Minister of Haryana and for somebody who's an active voice like Kiran Kher to change from Beti Bachao to Beta Bachao. When she says that this is not political, this is very much political. The reason that those two criminals are not spending their night in jail today is because they are son of the BJP chief, and the Chief Minister himself has come out and said he will not take action. It is the stance of the Chief Minister that has diluted this case, and that stance is being communicated by Kiran Kher ji as well.
Who has made hell to the Uttar Pradesh. You're talking about criminalization. You're talking
about
what
are you talking about?
This is the same place.
You are shameless. When you have the guts to come and defend these criminals, you are shameless. When you have Chief Minister, your Chief Minister come and defend the criminals.
See, I lost Advaita Kala there. No, yes, Ghanshyam Tiwari
are not in jail today.
Ghanshyam Tiwari, today,
Chief Minister and your party has come
Ghanshyam Tiwari,
help the criminals rather than help the victim.
Ghanshyam Tiwari, you made a very pertinent point. You made a very pertinent point, and how the law takes. Advaita Kala, I lost you there in between. I had come to you, but I lost you there. You're back with us. What's important is how justice is done and how soon it is done. Because it was a weekend, these people, they showed a lot of alacrity to let them off on bail. Friday ही इनको बाहर कर दिया ताकि Saturday, Sunday lockup में ना गुजारना पड़े. That's what's happened. That's what's happened.
Right.
And that's where the favoritism happened.
Yeah. So let's just state exactly.
शराब में धुत दो लड़के.
Let's just state exactly what has happened.
बीच सड़क में बेहूदगी, बेशर्मी, आवारागर्दी कर रहे हैं, and then they say law will take its own course. There are two aspects. एक तो जो law करेगा, और दूसरा आप क्या करेंगे? Who hold probity in public life with so much of value and esteem? That's the question to the BJP, no, Advaita Kala.
Absolutely, and let's be clear about what has happened here. You know, these two men were predators. They were out on the streets looking for a woman. That's what they were doing, and there's no other way to state this. Now, because of what has happened in the last couple of hours, these two predators are out on the street again. So how safe should the women of that town, of that city, really feel? And that's really something that we need to be discussing, number one. Secondly, when it comes to Haryana, if you look at what has happened in the last couple of months, just from media reports, and please bear in mind that these cases are not reported very often by the victims themselves, so forget them getting to the media. There have been 2 murders based on stalking. One was right in Gurgaon on MG Road, where a lady called Pinky was murdered while she was on the phone with her husband by a stalker in public view.
Yes.
The second was from a few months ago when the young lady had complained about the stalker and the police had stepped in to facilitate some sort of agreement, and then subsequently she was brutally killed. And brutally killed in a way that was reminiscent of what happened with
We had the
Nirbhaya.
issue from Tamil Nadu.
So these are 2 incidents that I'm quoting
We had the
just
issue from
out
Tamil
after
Nadu.
the last 8 months.
Where Tamil Nadu.
Absolutely.
How we forget the guy when the guy
This is a
chased her on a
broader
bike.
topic of stalking, of harassment.
Yes, stalked her to the railway station and killed her there. So there were those instances also.
And what security do women have? What security do women have?
No, especially in that case, that's what I'm saying. Rajiv Jaitley, when I come
Even
across
when they
and say,
take that
it's
step
not
of
about politicizing,
complaining
sir.
and they take it on, where does it come?
It's not about politicizing, sir. जब उन्होंने कार्रवाई की ना, तब उनको पता नहीं था कि लड़के कौन हैं. जैसे ही पता लगा कि ये लड़के कौन हैं, there was a change in the tone which is there when he's speaking, when the policeman is speaking, and that is unfortunate because that was not expected from this current disposition. And today, sir, you have to take this criticism.
No, never.
You have to take it because the Prime Minister himself has said that there has to be absolute probity in public life. Sir, अगर state BJP president के लड़के ये कर रहे हैं and they think they can get away with it, तो बाकी क्या करेंगे?
मैं आपसे केवल इतना बोलना चाहता हूँ what I wanted to discuss. I said कि चाहे वो स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट हो, चाहे वो नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट हो, एक स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट when they are asking senior bureaucrat, the senior bureaucrat.
Ganjam, please let him speak and then you counter him, please. I want all sides to be heard.
He's a senior bureaucrat. He's a senior bureaucrat to whom our state president approached, and the girl to whom she is saying, like she is saying कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ. He is the person who asked both of them to come to the police to register their statement. एक सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है हमारे साथ कि we are saying कि आप जो सोशल मीडिया पे जो मैसेजेस चल रहे हैं उसको आर्बिट्रेशन का बेस बनाइए.
राजीव जेटली, मैंने एक बार भी सोशल मीडिया की बात की.
जो उनकी ऑफिशियल
राजीव जेटली, मैंने एक बार भी सोशल मीडिया की बात की. मैं ये FIR की दर्ज कॉपी जो है ना, सुनिए मेरी बात सुनिए. आज शाम को आज पिछले 40 मिनट में not just that, Nilanjana, I am speaking about the FIR complaint जो पुलिस के पास जो कॉपी दर्ज है. आप पता है क्या कह रहे हैं? आपने मुझे पता है क्या कहा? आपने कहा देखिए, नहीं वो पुलिस वाला भी वहां बैठ के ACP ये बोलता है, नहीं वो ACP ये बोलता है कि जो हमारे सामने कंप्लेंट लिखाई गई और जो 164 CRPC में था वहां पर बहुत फर्क है. मैं देखना चाहता हूं कि कितना फर्क है, क्योंकि वो कॉपी अभी तक हमें नहीं दी गई है. आप दीजिए वो कॉपी यहाँ, आप खुद पढ़िए. No, please, as spokesperson of the BJP, sir, if you want, you can get a copy of the FIR. You will get a copy of the 164 CRPC. And if there is only one line that is missing,
what she said just now, the father of this girl is also said. The father of this girl said, "I am pretty satisfied with the way police is doing their action." When he is satisfied with the police actions, what is the problem other people are having? When the girl, when she is registering,
sir, because कहीं पे somehow I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what.
Creating different.
No, we are not creating. We are not creating.
Even if the girl's father says
this
it
doubt,
does not absolve this boy.
This doubt is not deliberate.
It does not absolve this boy of the action that he has done.
This doubt is not deliberate, sir. This doubt is instinctive. कहीं पे ये भरोसा नहीं हो रहा है कि जो हो रहा है उसमें कोई इंटिमिडेशन नहीं है, उसमें कोई इंटरफेरेंस नहीं है, इसमें कोई सबवर्शन नहीं है. Somewhere that
how does one know?
She's our daughter. She's the daughter of state.
That doubt is Alimuddin Khan. Alimuddin Khan.
और हम उस डॉटर की रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. This is.
देखिए आनंद जी, आनंद जी देखिए मेरे हाथ में ये मेजर क्रिमिनल एक्ट की बुक है
जी, और
ये किताब कहती है कि 354 असॉल्ट और यूज ऑफ क्रिमिनल फोर्स टू ए वुमेन विद इंटेंट टू आउटरेज हर मॉडेस्टी एंड 363 kidnapping, imprisonment for 7 years, cognizable, magistrate of first class, and that is the 354 is bailable, but bail should be provided by any magistrate. How SHO can give bail in this case? This is the problem, sir. This is the fact where BJP is putting pressure on the police to dilute the case, while from the statement of the girl, it is proved from that brave heart statement.
We are not putting pressure on police to save people of Apna Ghar in Haryana. We are not putting pressure on anybody.
ठीक है,
This is the
एक करके अलीमुद्दीन खान रुके, ले आपने सही सवाल आपने देखिए, now wait a minute,
भूल गए क्या आप?
एक मिनट रुके प्लीज, देखिए बीजेपी और हाँ अलीमुद्दीन खान आप किताब नीचे रखिए, अरे अलीमुद्दीन खान आप एक मिनट किताब नीचे रखिए, ठीक है
अरे इनको किताब दीजिए, इनको पिक्चर दिखाता हूँ मैं,
नहीं रुकिए राजीव जेटली प्लीज देखिए गरम आप बीजेपी कांग्रेस जब भी आमने सामने होते हैं तो अलीमुद्दीन खान रुकिए देखिए आज मैं चाहता हूं कि बीजेपी और कांग्रेस जैसे हमेशा से लड़ते हैं वैसे ना लड़े, रुकिए
आनंद जी ये दिखाइए, अमित शाह की रैली में वो
रुकिए आप अपना फोन नीचे कीजिए, I don't vouch for this, Times Now doesn't vouch for this, please put your phone down Alimuddin Khan, please put your phone down Alimuddin Khan, please put your phone down, I don't vouch for it, I want to come back to the debate. अब राजीव जेटली एक बात बताइए, राजीव जेटली एक मिनट रुकिए, राजीव जेटली रुकिए, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूं. As I wind up this debate and I have to end, I leave with the same question. This time, these were two boys, both of them connected to a powerful local leader, and it was the daughter of an IAS officer who was harassed. Had this been the other way round, daughter of a powerful local leader of the BJP and son of somebody, even an IAS officer or anybody else, two people, would they have got bail from an SHO with such alacrity? Would the charges have been watered down with such alacrity?
She is our daughter.
Would this be the same intensity or level of investigation, or would have been a different tone altogether? That question, if you answer honestly, it's upon your conscience, sir. And that's why we are not ready to believe that it's been fair so far. We'll see. Kal kya hota hai? For the moment, I have to wind up. Thank you.